Hello everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn about locators in Cypress. Locators help us find elements on a web page like buttons, input fields and links. I will show you different types of locators with simple example. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press a bell icon for more testing videos. Let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on end to end new file and then enter the file name locators types dot sci dot js and enter. This is new test file. Let's copy this and paste here. Now, first the locator, which is id locator. Locators basically used for locating the element. Suppose we want to click on these links, enter the username, password, or anything. We need to locate the element. So inspect, right click here, inspect, and here you can view ID is available for main panel and top panel. And ID always unique. We can find this ID hash and this ID value is left panel. That here left and pen. As you can view, this is unique in this page. So we can use this ID same as well. We can find this ID is equal to main panel and this ID has been highlighted. So we can use this ID and we can verify the main panel by using this ID. Open VS Code for locating the element by ID. We can use sci dot get for getting the element by ID. Use as main panel. This is first locator for locating the element. Same as well, we can locate the element by class locator. For locating by class, you can find here class, multiple classes here available. For locating by class, we can use dot captions. As you can view, this area has been highlighted. For locating the element by class, we can use sci dot get. Inside this, enter dot caption. And other locator available, which is attribute names. Attribute names. Suppose we want to enter the username and password in this field. So here you can view input type is equal to text. This is input type. Here we can enter the text and the class is equal to input and name attribute is equal to username. So we can locate this element by name locator. For verifying whether this is unique. So we can use here name is equal to username. Yes, this is unique, so we can use this locator name for locating this element. We can enter username by using this locator. Attribute by name sci dot get. Inside this round brackets, name is equal to username. Inside this double quote into bracket here. These are the three locators for locating the element, and other option also available. Can locate the element combining elements with attributes. Combining elements with attribute with attributes. As you can view, this is input type is equal to text class name input and the attribute we can use here input. This all the inputs will be highlighted, and the input is equal to input name. All the inputs will be highlighted, and the name is equal to username. These are the and other way for locating the element, combining element with the attribute psi dot get input, and the name is equal to username. Same as well, we can enter the password by using input name is equal to password. And other also locator available for locating element XPath. I will also explain later on about the XPath. Now, here we need to add the test. So change here, visit the website to common locator types. We need to add the test case. So here remove before each to it and list common locator types. List common locator types. Now we can run the test. Here this is the ID locator, class locator, and the third attribute name, and the fourth is combining elements with attributes. We can clear all the logs by using clear. All logs have been cleared. For opening the Cypress, we can use npx Cypress and open. npx Cypress open. Now, Cypress is opening. We need to select here end-to-end testing. Click on end-to-end testing and then click on start end-to-end testing in Chrome. After selecting the browser, we need to select the file here. As you can view, here we have two files. One is basics and the second one is locator types. Click on locator types. Test is running. Here you can view no test found. We need to save the test and again run the test. Visit the website and then the main panel, get, and then locate the username. After locating the username, it locate the username field by combining elements with attribute. That is for today tutorial on how you can use locators in Cypress to find web elements easily. I hope this video made it simple for you. If you found it helpful, please like, share and comments below. Let me know what Cypress topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.